How long does a game drive last? It's a question almost every traveler asks before setting foot on safari. The answer might sound simple, but the truth is that a game drive is not just about the number of hours spent on the road. It's about the rhythm of the wilderness, the pace of discovery, and the feeling of being part of nature's untamed story. On average, a single game drive lasts between 2 to 4 hours, but those hours can feel timeless when you're watching the African bush come alive before your eyes. Morning game drives are often the most rewarding, lasting about 3 to 4 hours. They usually start at dawn, just as the first golden light breaks across the landscape. This is the time when predators are still active, before the heat of the day pushes them into the shade. You may catch a glimpse of a leopard returning to its tree, or hyenas finishing the remnants of a nighttime feast. The drive often pauses in the wild for a coffee stop, where you step out, stretch your legs, and sip a warm drink while surrounded by the untamed beauty of Africa. Afternoon game drives, on the other hand, begin later in the day when the sun starts to soften. They are slightly shorter, often around 2 to 3 hours, but no less captivating. The lighting is spectacular, bathing the plains in hues of gold and orange as animals stir again after resting through the midday heat. This is the moment when herds of antelope graze in the open, giraffes bend awkwardly to drink from waterholes, and hippos begin to stir from their river sanctuaries. If you're lucky, you may even witness the drama of a lion pride preparing for a night hunt, their movements calculated and deliberate. Night drives, offered in some conservancies, open yet another chapter of safari magic. Equipped with spotlights, you set off into the darkness for about 2 hours, and the world reveals creatures you rarely see in the day. Porcupines shuffling along, bush babies leaping between trees, and the glowing eyes of nocturnal predators reflecting back at you. The cool air, the distant roar of a lion, and the mystery of what might be hiding in the shadows create an atmosphere unlike any other. But while we can measure game drives in hours, what they truly offer is an immersion into the pulse of the wild. The time melts away as you focus on the crunch of tires on dry earth, the sudden cry of a bird alerting to danger, or the thrill of locking eyes with a buffalo just meters away. Some drives may feel longer because of incredible sightings, while others pass quickly in quiet reflection. Either way, the experience always lingers in memory far longer than the hours suggest.